Hello and welcome back to your channel. Today we are starting exercise 2.3 of polynomial. So let us start. First question already I have written. You have to find the remainder and dividend polynomial of px is already given to you and is divided by, this dividend is divided by first x plus 1, second x minus 1 upon 2. These are the four parts of your first question. So let us divide this polynomial first by x plus 1, then we will divide this by x minus 2, then this by this, then this by this. So we don't have to do the long division, okay? It is a wastage of time. So what we will do? Directly by remainder theorem. So we will use by remainder theorem. What was the remainder theorem you remember? In last video we have done by which polynomial? First part let me take, it is divided by x plus 1. तो जिस polynomial से हम divide करते हैं उसको 0 रखते हैं. That means x plus 1 equals to 0. So from here we get the value of x minus 1. तो minus 1 value इस polynomial में रखेंगे, जो भी आएगा वो हमारा remainder होता है. Okay, this we have done in remainder theorem. So let us put x is equals to minus 1 in this polynomial. So therefore put x is equals to minus 1 in polynomial of x. This one. So what is polynomial of x? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So put px is equals to minus 1 equals to minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So what will you get? Minus 1 cube is odd number, so minus sign will remain minus only 1. This is even number square, so this will become plus. So 3 ones are 3 plus minus minus 3 plus 1. So in this case our remainder is 0. So therefore the remainder is 0. The first part. Let us go to the second part. Okay. What is our second part? X minus 1 upon 2. If this polynomial is divided by x minus 2, this is also linear polynomial. So x minus 1 upon 2, the second part is 0. So which shows x is equals to 1 upon 2. So we have to put x is equals to 1 upon 2 in this. So we will write put x is equals to 1 upon 2 in polynomial of x. So write the polynomial p of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So p of, in the place of x, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 upon 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 upon 2 plus 1. So 1 cube, 1, 2 to the 4 is 8 plus 1 square is 1 upon 2 square is 4. 1 upon 4, 3 ones are 3 upon 4 plus 3 ones are 3 upon 2 plus 1. Now we have to take the LCM because all are fractions, so we can write upon 1. What will be the LCM? 8. 8 will be the LCM. So what we can do, you have to make the denominator 8. 4 2s are 8, so this will be multiplied by 2. 2 4s are 8, so this will be multiplied by 4. 1 8s are 8, so we have to multiply it by 8. See what will come? 1 upon 8 plus 6 upon 8 plus 12 upon 8 plus 8 upon 8. So all the denominator are same. We can directly add these. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 6, 26, 27. So the answer is 27 upon 8. So this is your remainder. Okay. Second part. Same way you can do the third part. In third part what you will do? X. So what is this? Directly put x is equals to 0. Put x is equals to 0 here. So you will get the 0, 0, 0, 0. All these terms will become 0. Only 1 is left. So what will be the remainder? 1. Okay. So in this case your remainder is 1. Same way you will do this one. How you will do? 5 plus 2x equals to 0. So 2x is equals to minus 5. So which shows x is equals to minus 5 upon 2. So put x is equals to minus 5 upon 2, minus 5 upon 2. Whatever the answer will come, that is your remainder. Okay. Clear the first question? First question to yourself. Now let us move to our second question. Second question is, let me write the second question of exercise 2.3. Second question is find the remainder when you have to find the remainder again. Okay, when this question is given, when x cube, polynomial of x is given, x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by, so your divisor is given x minus a. So you have to find the remainder when this is divided by this. By remainder theorem, x minus a is equals to 0, which shows x is equals to a. तो इसका मतलब जो x is equals to a यहाँ रखेंगे तो जो भी आएगा वो रिमाइंडर होगा. So p of x is equals to write this polynomial 6x minus a. I'm writing here put x is equals to a in polynomial of x. So p of in the place of x, a is equals to a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. So you got a cube minus a cube plus 6a minus a. These two cancel out. We'll get plus minus minus 5a. So 5a is your remainder. Got it? Third question. These are very easy. Only what you need a little practice. Nothing more. Otherwise, these are very easy questions. Okay? Third. What is this? Check whether 7 plus 3x. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. ओके, तो हमें चेक करना है कि 7 plus 3x इसका एक फैक्टर है. अब फैक्टर कैसे होता है? अगर इसकी वैल्यू x की वैल्यू यहाँ से उठा के इसमें रखें तो इसमें पॉलिनोमियल में रखेंगे तो अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो दिस विल बी द फैक्टर. अगर ये रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आया तो फैक्टर नहीं होगा. क्या होता है? डिवाइजर की वैल्यू इसमें रखते हैं x से तो जो भी आता है वो आपका रिमाइंडर होता है. तो हम देखते हैं रिमाइंडर 0 आया नहीं, 0 आएगा तो ये फैक्टर है, अदरवाइज इट्स नॉट अ फैक्टर. सो 7 plus 3x solution will write is equals to 0. So x is equals to, पहले 7 को उधर भेजो, minus 7, तो 3x बचा, divided, तो minus 7 upon 3. Put x is equals to minus 7 upon 3 in polynomial of x. So what is your polynomial f? Write the polynomial of x, 3x cube plus 7x. Put x is equals to minus 7 upon 3 is equals to 3 into minus 7 upon 3 whole cube plus 7 into minus 7 upon 3. Okay, so 3 into this is cube, minus sign will remain minus, so minus I am writing here. 7 cube, 7 7s are 49, and 6 10 4s are 28, 29 30, 31 32 34, 343. So 343 upon 27 minus 49 upon 3. So cancel it out. This is 3 9s are 27. So this got minus 343 divided by 9 minus 49 upon 3. So we have to make the LCM 9. So I am doing like this. So this will become minus 343 upon 9 minus 9 3s are 27, carry over 2, 4 3s are 12, 13 14 upon 9. So minus minus plus minus 7 8 9 10 का 0, carry over 1, 9 4 90 upon 9. Okay, so this is your remainder. So we will write, because the remainder is not 0, so therefore this is not a factor of this polynomial. Okay, that's all for this exercise. Let us go to next exercise 2.4. Okay, so 2.4 exercise, let us start. Exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4. What is the first question? First question is, determine which of the following factor has x plus 1 a factor. तो इसमें से किसका which has x plus 1 a factor. मतलब कि polynomial are given to you, we are asked that कौन किसका x plus 1 factor है. तो इसका मतलब x is equals to x plus 1 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 1. x की वैल्यू -1 अगर हम polynomial में रखेंगे, जिस polynomial में the remainder is coming 0, that is of that polynomial this is a factor. So first part is given to you x cube. Let us write polynomial of x. X cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So put x is equals to -1. So p of -1 is equals to -1 cube plus -1 square plus -1 plus 1. So that means -1 plus 1 -1 plus 1. So cancel out, the remainder is 0. Therefore x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial of x. Okay, so this is, it is a factor of this. Let us move to second part. What is second part? Or let us go to fourth part. The two parts you will do yourself. Okay, x cube, this is polynomial of x. P of x equals to x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2. You have to find whether x plus 1 is a factor of this. Put x is equals to -1. Same in this. So p of -1 equals to -1 cube plus -1 square plus, sorry, minus, this is minus 2 plus root 2 in the place of x -1 plus root 2. Let us solve this. -1 cube -1 plus 1. This is -1. I'm just this multiplying by inside. Minus plus. So this will become +1. So this will become plus 2 plus root 2. Okay, plus root 2. If you multiply it inside, this will come. Okay, one more step you can do. These two are cancelled out. So you will get 2 plus root 2 plus root 2, 2 root 2. And 2 can common in these two. Here 1 is left plus root 2. So this is your answer is coming. So that means this is not equals to 0. अगर ये 0 के equal नहीं है, that means therefore x plus 1 is not a factor of this polynomial px. Okay. So this is your fourth part. Then come to question number 2. Let us do question number 2 now. Exercise 2.4. Hope you are understanding. Practice it yourself. Okay. Question number 2. Use a factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px in each of the following case. First part is given. Px is equals to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1 and g of x is given x plus 1. तो हमें क्या करना है, फैक्टर थ्योरम यूज करनी है टू डिटरमाइन वेदर दिस इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ दिस. तो सिंपल वे कि ये इसका फैक्टर तभी हो सकता है जब रिमाइंडर 0 हो. पुट सेम वे विल डू x plus 1 equals to 0, so which shows x is equals to -1. Put x is equals to -1 in polynomial of x. So p of -1 equals to 2 into -1 cube plus -1 square minus 2 into -1 minus 1. So p of -1 equals to, ये -1 आ जाएगा तो -2 plus 1 minus plus 2 minus 1. These two cancel out, these two cancel out is equals to 0. So therefore remainder 0 आ रहा तो ये फैक्टर होगा इसका. So therefore x plus 1 is a factor of polynomial of px. Here let us do the next part of this question. They are very easy. If you'll keep on doing, so you will find it's very interesting also. So please keep on doing. So our second part is polynomial of x. Second part or third part you can do yourself. Okay, similar like this. Let us do third question. Third question, find the value of k. If x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial of px in each of the following cases. So first part, polynomial px is given x square plus x plus k. And second part, let me write the second part also. Px is equals to 2x square plus kx plus root 2. So we have to find the value of k. Okay. If given है कि this is a factor of these polynomial, ठीक है, तो ये अगर ये factor होगा तो इसका मतलब ये पूरा डिवाइड करेगा, रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. तो रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा, इसका मतलब x minus 1 is a factor, so therefore we will write x minus 1 equals to 0. So x which shows x is equals to plus 1. तो अगर x is equals to plus 1 में इसमें रखूंगी तो आंसर कितना आना चाहिए, 0 आना चाहिए, because this is the factor. So let me put x is equals to plus 1 in this. So 1 square plus 1 plus k. लेकिन इसकी वैल्यू कितनी आनी चाहिए, 0 आनी चाहिए, रिमाइंडर 0 होना चाहिए, क्योंकि गिवन है कि ये इसका फैक्टर है. फैक्टर होगा तो रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. तो ये डोंट फॉरगेट दिस टू राइट इक्वल्स टू 0. सो व्हाट विल राइट, 1 plus 1 plus k equals to 0. 2 plus k equals to 0. So the value of k is minus 2. This is polynomial, so we don't have to take this. We have to take this. Same with this. X is equals to 1. We will substitute in this. So p of 1 is equals to 2 of 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2. कितनी वैल्यू आनी चाहिए, अगर फैक्टर की वैल्यू इसमें रख दी तो इसकी रिमाइंडर 0 आना चाहिए. ओके, क्योंकि जब भी हम इसकी वैल्यू रखते हैं तो रिमाइंडर 0 आता है, वो जो भी इसकी वैल्यू आती है वो रिमाइंडर होता है, तो 0 आनी चाहिए. सो नाउ 2 into 1 2 plus k plus root 2 equals to 0. So k equals to 2 को उधर भेजो, -2, and root 2 will send this side root 2. So this is your value, or you can write 2 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं, root 2 into root 2. We can write 2 like this. तो root 2 is common from these two and minus is also common. root 2 common ले लेंगे तो यहाँ क्या बचा, एक root 2 and sign will get reversed, plus 1. This is the value of k. You can leave till here also. This is also your answer, this is also your answer. Both the answer are correct. Okay. Now let us go to the next one. Okay. So rest two parts you will do yourself. Okay. So now let us go to fourth question. Move to fourth question. This is very interesting. Take out your rough notebook and practice it yourself first. Okay. If you don't know, if you are finding some difficulty, revise this video. See, and the third part, try yourself. It is only calculation, nothing else you have to do. Okay. So now the fourth question is factorize. Factorize means factor करना है. Okay. So first part is 12x square minus 7x plus 1. This is quadratic equation. How to factorize this? By splitting method. Okay, splitting method. So we have to do factorization. Factorize means by splitting method. Factor ही करना है. तो 12 1 जा 12, ऐसे ही तो करते हैं. तो 12 को हमें ऐसे ब्रेक करना है कि प्लस और माइनस करके -7 आ जाए. So 4 3 जा 12 कर सकते हैं, बट वी वांट -7, तो -4 -3 दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे, -7 आ जाएगा. सो 12x स्क्वायर -4x -3x minus minus plus 4 plus 3 minus 7 plus 1. So first we will take these two. So that means in these 4 is common, in this x is common. So 3x plus 1, sorry, minus 1. And then from here we will take minus common. So nothing is common except this minus 3x minus 1. Okay. So what will come? Now there are two terms. One term is this, one term is this. 3x minus 1 again is common. Then here this is 4x minus, यहाँ क्या बचा? 1. So this is your factorization. Okay. This is your splitting method. One more part we will do from this, and then rest two part you will do yourself. There are 4 parts in this. Okay. Let us do the next one more part. Let us do third part only. Anyone? All are same. 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Okay. So 6 is a 36. 36 we have to factorize so that we get minus, we get 5. Okay. So 6 is a 36 will not get. 9 4 is a 9 minus 4, 5. 9 4 is a 36. So 6x square plus 9x minus 4x. Plus minus minus. 9 minus 4, 5 and plus 5. Minus 6. Okay. So now factorize it. From these two we have to take common. 6 and 3. 3. We can take 3 common and x. 3 2 is 6. X plus 3 3 is 9 minus. In from here 2 common. So 2x sign will get reversed if minus is common. 3 is 6. 2 terms, 2x plus 3 is common. And what is left inside? Here 3x is left and here minus 2 is left. So this is your factorized form. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye.